Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Schlage new batteries not working, battery install, reset and calibrate fix guide. If your Schlage locks fails to respond or power on after changing the batteries, it is usually caused by a poor physical battery connection, incorrect polarity or a frozen internal circuit board. Fix 1. Check battery polarity and quality. Orientation. Double check that all the batteries are facing the correct direction according to the plus/minus markings inside the tray. Battery type. Only use high quality alkaline AA batteries like Duracell or Energizer. Do not use rechargeable or lithium batteries as their voltage profiles can cause issues or trigger false low battery warnings. Fix 2. Secure the battery connections. Firm seating. Push the battery pack down firmly. Some users in the SmartThings community suggest that if the battery tray wobbles, placing a small shim like a folded piece of paper or cardboard at the top of the battery pack can prevent it from losing contact with the terminals. Clean contacts. Wipe the metal terminals in the battery compartment with a cotton swab lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol to remove any corrosion or dirt. Fix 3. Perform a softer hard reset. Soft reset. Remove the battery pack, press and hold the exterior stage button or the interior reset button for about 30 seconds to drain any residual power. Then reinsert the batteries while still holding the button or release it when the lock beeps/flashes. Leave it unpowered. Then remove the battery pack completely and leave it out for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the microprocessors to fully clear before reconnecting. Fix 4. Check internal wires and cables. If you have a Wi-Fi or Bluetooth enabled model like the Schlage Encode or Connect, the interior mechanism might have a loose internal wire. So remove the two screws holding the interior cover in place and carefully lift it off. Then check to ensure the small wiring harness and multi-pin connector connecting the keypad to the interior circuit board are firmly plugged in. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.